Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what we're doing today? You all love it so much, and I love doing these videos for you guys. We're doing crochet braids, and these curls are probably one of the best textures that I've used so far. This is by Trendytresses. This is their Serene curls. It comes wrapped in this little bundle like this, and it gives me sort of a perm rod set look. They're so bouncy, so soft, and very easy to install. And y'all, we're not going to be doing cornrows. So I'm going to show you all the braid pattern that I'm using. Not going to be using braids, but I'm going to show you all how I do it. So I'm going to moisturize my hair first with my favorite moisturizer. This is by Softee Naturals. I'm using their Shine Pomade and also their Curl Enhancer. These two paired together gives you a good amount of slip while also adding the amount of moisture that you need, because this is going to be a protective style and you want your hair to be moisturized under. So instead of doing cornrow straight back or a typical cornrow braid pattern, we're going to be using flat twist, because I know there are many of you all out there who either can't do cornrows or you dislike cornrows like me, because it's a whole lot of manipulation, a lot of tension, and for me, I've shared, it hurts. So I'm just going to use Got to Be Glue in order to get my edges nice and sleek, and then we're going to proceed to flat twist. And then once I get to the base of the flat twist, I'm going to proceed to plait, and then on the ends I'm going to twist. And I'm just going to do 4 flat twists in the front and 3 plaits in the back. I'm going to let you all watch this process and then I'll come back on.
Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about it.
Alright y'all, this is the pattern that I used. It was super quick, probably took me like 5-10 minutes to complete, and now all that's left to do is just to pin it down. I'm going to be using bobby pins in order to do so, but you could also sew it down for added security, but I felt like the bobby pins would give me the security that I needed. And also, if you cannot plait at all, then feel free to just twist the hair up and then just make sure that you secure it down really nicely with bobby pins or sewing it down. You could also put a little cap over, a netted cap, and that's going to help to conceal your braids and give you the security that you need if you twist it. So that's just another option. So just showing you all a full spin. Now it's time to begin installing this hair, and I could not wait. So this is what it looks like. Once again, I got mine in color 1B, but they do also have other colors. And what I like about this hair is that it's already pre-separated for you. And I didn't realize that initially, but I was like, oh wow, this is awesome. So you're not going to have to worry about the curls being disturbed as much as some of the other textures that I've used. So that was a really good factor. Now, when I initially began this install, I started with the regular technique, which is to insert the crochet needle, attach the hair to the hook, then pull the needle through. And then after, you would just release the hair from the hook. The loop that's there, you're going to pull the hair through, and then you would complete this process maybe about 3 or 4 times as you wrap it. But what I realized, this hair is so silky that it requires a little more. So I just use the invisible technique, the invisible root technique in order to do the rest of the install. So whereas pulling both strands through, I just pulled one strand, and you'll see that in a moment.
Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about everything. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about it. Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Let it be, just let it be. 'Cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about it. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about things. Every morning I'm gonna be here. Why are you crying? Why so many tears? You've been there for me, I've been there for you. Look in the mirror and think this through. Something as perfect and pretty as you. I never could leave, you gotta believe. But you think my heart's not there. 'Cause it's been a while. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect. Perfect. Every morning you're next to me. Why do you worry? Just go back to sleep. I know you love me, you know I love you. Oh, think of the moments of me and you. Our love is stronger for what we've been through. You're my family, that's always gonna be. But you cry when I'm not there. You're afraid of time. You keep saying you're afraid of time. Let me tell you something. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years, you're still pretty to be told. We grow stronger. See, I need your love, so don't worry about me. 'Cause I still think you're perfect. Perfect, pretty.
Woo child, we're all done, and it took me probably like 30 minutes to install this hair, probably less than that. It was super quick. So now we just need to cut it and shape it and get it the way that we desire it. I want some bangs to kind of frame my face, and I also wanted a heart shape. The hair comes in length 12, and if you want it all in that length, keep it that way, but I wanted some shape. So I'm just gonna cut it, zhuzh it up a bit, and then we're gonna be finished.
Even in the morning, everything you do, I've been saying years, I heard them all too. Yes, I know we've been together for so long. You think that I can't see. After these years,
always struggle to see the back of my head when styling, so I found this flexible mirror on Amazon. Amazon is life, they have everything. And so I just put this on and it allows me to see the back of my head. So I'm going to turn around, and I do have a mirror in front of me on my desk. So I'm just going to cut the back, get it the way I want it. And for anyone who is interested, I'll link this mirror in the description box, so be sure to check it out. And yeah, we're almost done, guys. I need your love. Y'all, doesn't this look with the top and everything just give you Tracy Ellis Ross vibes? Oh, I just love her hair. So now I'm going to show you all some styles. I did actually achieve the shorter bangs using bobby pins in the front, but I wanted to show you guys, if you leave your bangs longer, then you have the option to be able to wear them longer or short just using bobby pins, so that gives you more versatility. So now I'm going to show you all some really cool styles that you can do with this look. And y'all, look how natural the parting space and everything looks with the pattern that we used. Bomb, y'all. Straight bomb.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by. Yeah, I've been watching you and him and him and her with his wandering eyes. He's not worth your time, so come to me. I got what you need, just know I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes, I'll ease your mind. Kiss you just right, whisper I love you, I'll make you mine. I'll take care of you. It's funny how you came across my path, yeah. I can give you that good love and that will last. So place the other mister in your past. Yeah, you know it's true that you're worth more than you'll ever see. Ooh, baby, please just come to me. I got what you need, just know. Ooh, I'll make you my only one, girl. I'll hold you close, never let go. I'll be your friend, do all I can. Whisper I love you, I'll hold your hand. I'll take care of you, I'll make you smile. Look deep in your eyes.
Guys, you can do so much with this hair. I'm just in love with all the styles and everything I was able to create with the pattern that I used. Now I'm going to show you all how I maintain it at night. I use a protective headband by Her Given Hair, and this one is large enough and also long enough to be able to cover all of the hair, and it has this little drawstring so that you can enclose the hair in it. So I'm going to show you all how I put it on and everything. Be sure to check the description box. I'll have the link to this hair, the protective headband. All the styling products that I use will be listed as well. I love you guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend so that I know you guys want to see more of these kind of videos. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.
I'll ease your mind, kiss you just right, whisper I love you. talk to you? Baby, can we talk a while? Yeah. And see what this